Hello, I'm Yav, and in this video I'm going to show you the new integration I added to RedGrow, which is in the integration with Google Marketing Platform. I added this integration because I want to allow my users to understand from where their traffic is coming from and to basically give them the ability to understand if the platform is working for them or not. If I will go to Settings, Integrations, and I will click on Connect to Google, it will show me the consent screen. I will continue, and once it's done and connected, you will have the ability to choose the Google search console integration you have in this account, and also the GA4 property you connected to this account. And I will click sync now, and the platform will sync automatically. Once it's connected and sync, I will click on performance, and then on traffic lift I can see all the traffic coming from these properties combined and keywords that are related to the product that came from Google search, and also the traffic sources that the traffic came from. So an example, you can see that I'm getting 6 sessions in this period of time from ChatGPT. This is all. Thank you very much for watching.